depth drop, decided to make the first feature a hill because it has the most potential energy up here, which turns to kinetic energy, and will have a lot of acceleration to make it through the track. The second feature is a curve, which has the least potential energy, and when it goes down, it has the least kinetic energy also. And the third and last feature is the tunnel and the wall, because it has contact force when the marble hits the wall. So we know visitors at Six Flags will have fun riding a roller coaster called Death Drop because it's intense and fun to ride. The marble, and there is contact force between the marble and the track, because when it's going down right here, like when it's touching it, it's getting more acceleration for it to be able to go down the hill, which sometimes bounces down because of how much acceleration it has. And also this gravity affects the ball, because if there was no gravity, the ball wouldn't be able to go down. It would just stay there floating. So when it goes down, it has gravity and it's going down and into the tunnel. So there's friction between the track and the marble, because when it's going down, it's gaining speed, and it's stopping it also at the end of the track.
The roller coaster car has the most potential energy at the first hill, because it can get speed to go through the curve and then down the drop. And an example of Newton's, the roller coaster car has the most kinetic energy at the middle of the starting hill, because it's a big hill, so it can go down more faster. So it's down. As the car goes down the first hill, the potential energy changes into kinetic. As the car goes up, the second feature, kinetic energy changes to potential energy. During the roller coaster, some energy is lost as the marble does the curve because of the friction, and of the little wall is like stopping it kind of. An example of Newton's first law of motion on a roller coaster is when the marble goes down the first hill, because it will stay in motion. An example of Newton's second law on a roller coaster is the marble, because since it's light, then it has more acceleration to go down and it doesn't break the tracks. An example of Newton's third law is when the marble goes all the way down and then it hits the little wall here, because when it hits the wall, it bounces back. That's it.
So, any questions? Any questions? One?
When you were making it, was it like as it was going down?